beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious lemon pepper salmon that I know you guys are going to love, and it's perfect for Lent time. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and amazing lemon pepper salmon, these are the ingredients. I have butter, 1 lemon, parsley, lemon pepper spice, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, and of course the star, the salmon. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing lemon pepper recipe. So let's get started. I want to start here with the spices. I have the salt, I have the garlic powder, I have the lemon pepper, and of course I have my little plate here. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper spice. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley. Look at this. All these spices give the salmon an amazing flavor, and of course the lemon too. Well, here I have all the spices here. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And all those colors, all the spices, they look amazing. Okay, so now I'm just going to put this aside. I'm going to continue with my lemon. I have only 1 lemon. I'm going to cut it through the middle, and I am only going to use half a lemon juice. The other piece of lemon, I'm going to cut in very thin slices. This lemon is from my garden, so I call it organic. And really, you don't need too much lemon. Just 2 tablespoons of lemon is enough for this recipe. This lemon has a lot of juice and it doesn't have any seeds. If the lemon you are using has seeds, just put it through a sifter. You don't want any of the seeds to go into your salmon. Look at this. I'm just going to slice very thinly because this is with what I am going to decorate and add it to my salmon slices. Look at this. Nice and thin, and yet it doesn't have any seeds at all. Well, now I have the spices here. I'm just going to incorporate them completely, making sure that everything is well mixed together, because this is what I'm going to use to start drizzling on the top of the salmon. I have 2 pieces of large salmons, which I'm going to cut in smaller pieces. Look at this. I have my gloves on, but of course, if you're cooking for your family, you don't need gloves, okay? But I want to do it so that you see how I make it here at home. I'm going to cut the slices. I'm going to put them back into, it has the skin on the other side, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead. Look, let me show you. Put them here, and then I am ready to start drizzling all the spices on the top. Let me show you. I'm going to start adding all the spices right on the top. The spices are going to give the salmon a delicious and amazing flavor. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. But I want to create a roll already before I add the other on the other side. Look at this. Flip it over. Remember that my salmon has skin, but if your salmon doesn't, that's fine. You still have to put it on both sides. I added the ones on the plate. I already added some on the top, and now I'm adding these right here, and then I'm going to add the rest of the spices right on the top. The spices are going to really infuse the butter where they are going to be getting nice and crispy. My pan is nice and hot and I'm adding my butter right now. I'm just going to add the butter, wait until it dissolves a little bit, and now I am ready to start adding the salmon, the pieces of salmon, one by one. Remember, you want to cook your salmon for 2 minutes on the side of the skin so that the skin gets really crispy. The butter is really bubbling. It's nice and hot. It's already getting the skin really nice and crispy. I'm going to leave it on that side for about 2 minutes. And now I am ready to flip them over. The skin is really crispy. And that's exactly how we love it here at home. I'm going to leave it on the other side for about 2 minutes, but I'm going to add the lemon juice. The lemon juice will create a very delicious taste on the butter and all those spices. After 2 minutes, you are going to remove the salmon, and remember, don't throw away the butter that's on the pan because we are going to use it to drizzle it right on the top of the salmon. The butter has all those delicious drippings of the salmon and all the flavor. And of course, you don't want to throw that away. I have here the mixture of the butter and the parsley that were left behind on the pan. But first, I'm going to drizzle some chili flakes on the top. And now I am ready to drizzle the butter with all those amazing flavors. I am sure that once you make this delicious salmon, you are really going to fall in love with this amazing flavor. Look at this. I am sure that your mouth is watering. And here I am done, but I have to have my plate ready. I have my plate here. I am going to drizzle some chili flakes on the top. I am going to add, of course, the drippings of the butter and all those amazing flavors. And now my mouth is watering and I can't wait to dig in and enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. Done, my friends, with this amazing and delicious lemon pepper salmon. This is the part I really love and enjoy. I drizzled on the top the leftovers of the butter with all those amazing drippings of the salmon. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. And I added some white rice. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. Nice and crispy from the outside, but from the inside, it's really soft. And the lemon pepper flavor, amazing. You really need to prepare it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it with my family. It's Lent time. And if you want to enjoy something delicious and amazing at the top, I know you guys are going to love this recipe. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.